participants. There goes SBEA. Woo. My God. I only just got in. I'm late. Woke up late. Pretty much only just got in at like 12-ish. Yes, good morning, everybody. James Green was first this morning, then David M., then Sergio. Morning, everybody. Morning on people on YouTube and Twitch out there. I'm going to get the TikTok going here. One sec. And I have so many friends who are into that coffee. I can't even believe they're not public. They're going to do so good. If you ain't first, you're last. That's right, James. If you ain't early, you're late. All right, let me label up these tickers that we're watching here. Artle still putting in some movement. Rog, R-O-G. I think right now that's the big one that people are not noticing. It went from 209 to 273. As far as I can tell, it's not a buyout or anything. So that could be a good buy of either shares or options when it opens. Anybody want to check and make sure if it has options while we're sitting here? Be a team player. Shoot, what did I have there? I had a stock there. Take it off. Unit trust and the warrants taken off on SBEAU. Who's trading the warrants this morning on SBEA? Remember, be careful. That's not for everybody. It's that pre-market and warrants. That's really combining a lot of liquidity issues. Be careful. I mean, if you get screwed, understand that's partially what happened there. Trading that one. ROG is being bought. Oh, okay, ROG is being bought. Thank you for double checking on that. Take that off of the radar then. Also, I want to get rid of CPOP. We don't need that. All right, I got to clean that up and then okay, good. And live on TikTok. TikTok. I saw a freaking TikTok yesterday showing that Georgia is being overrun by these palm-sized yellow Asian spiders, invasive species from Asia. Georgia. Okay, so just FYI, if I don't visit you in Georgia, that's why. I'm definitely staying away from there. Hell no. Hell no. No, not the country. The state. All counties. That's funny. Yeah. Yeah, go look it up. The pictures are crazy. Like hell the F no. All right. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, on YouTube, and on Twitch. I'm going to take 10% of my profits at this hyper extended moment on SBEA. Got to. You're right next door in Alabama. I know. They better keep that shit over in Georgia. I don't know, man. I think Alabama, well, Louisiana, I'll tell you. No, Mississippi. Oh God, all of them. You guys got the craziest garden spiders. Giant freaking scary ass things. They put their legs together, and they sit on the No. No, mommy. Thoughts on OCGN? Well, it was pushing and now it just pulled back just a little bit. Any tips for a beginner? Yeah, here. Follow this link. All right, so let's take a look at the market. So in general today we have gold still just kind of holding steady. That's fine. That's good, healthy for the market. Rates, TNX rates down yesterday and holding down. So that's good for tech. So tech may have a good day today. Oil sitting at $84 a barrel. So that's going to be okay because that's basically unchanged since yesterday. That's putting a energy XLE sector into a sideways spin, and industrials and base materials and financials the same. So today we may have a good day for tech. Overall is what it's looking like. The S&P 500 is up just a smidge. It looks like it's going to crack yesterday's high. That would be outstanding. What else do we have to look at there? Anything significant? No, looking pretty good. Utilities maybe are rallying a little bit. The VIX is down to 16.4, so that's outstanding. If the VIX can get down to into the 15s, that's just excellent. Nice market. Should be very, very cooperative. Nothing crazy. Bitcoin is up at almost 64,000 in the last 2 hours. So Bitcoin is trying to make another run to the border to break out. Let's see if it can. So overall today, we're going to have industrials probably sideways based on what I said about oil and base materials and rates. And the S&P 500 will probably go up gently. But the Qs, the tech, are probably going to be the strongest on the day. And I don't anticipate necessarily a strong day, but relatively speaking, tech looks to be what will be strongest today. And you might have also heard that Pfizer did well on their earnings, so Pfizer is up this morning. So Pfizer may run. Keep your eyes on Pfizer. Now in front of us, what we're looking at being the hottest this morning is SBEA. Let me get the name of the what's the name of the coffee company, guys? Black Rifle Coffee. So the Black Rifle Coffee Company being taken public via the SPAC SBEA. So in a couple weeks or months, that merger will be complete after they work that out, and then they'll have a new ticker, SBEA. For now, we're trading SBEA and the warrants, SBEAW, which are a little bit cheaper. Warrants are kind of like trading options when it comes to SPACs. And then there's even SBEAU. You don't really need to get into U. If you see you trade SBEA if you want to be a voting member, if you want to be able to vote on the merger. You trade SBEAU if you want half of your shares to be votable and half of them to be warrants, and then you trade SBEAW if you want them all to be warrants. Those are non-voting shares. But they can be converted to shares if the merger goes through, but you can't vote. So that's some of the differences between those. All right, and then we're also taking a look at BAOS, which is pretty hot. So the next breakout, by the way, though, back to SBEA, which seems to be the hottest one this morning with 31 million shares traded. The next breakout on that's going to be at 1416. And when it breaks, we'll see what kind of risk you'll have to assess for that, but probably about $1 per share. SABS, we're also looking at SABS, SABS, OCGN, BBLG, WEME, VUTC, IO, SLGG, and the market is going to be opening in 21 minutes. So hang out with us and let's see what happens. If you haven't joined our trading community yet, people on TikTok, click the link in my bio. That'll take you over to our trading community. All right, so we are watching SBEA pretty tightly. That's what's really at the closest at the breakout zone. OCGN broke out a few minutes, about 40 minutes ago, and is now completely failing. If you are in OCGN for a day trade, you should get out now. It just put in a failed retest, and it is breaking down. OCGN, watch out on that. We're also watching QuantumScape for any continuation there today. QuantumScape been doing quite good. VMW after the drop, what was that? Any ideas what will happen to VMW after the drop from the Dell sale? Pop back up. Is that happening finally? Okay. I imagine so. I don't even know why they're getting rid of it. I think that's positive. So, it looks safe for the moment. VMW is just sideways at the top. All right, here comes SBEA again, looking to break 1416. Here it goes, 14, 1404, 1405, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1410, 1411. Once it breaks 1416, you can get in for 70 cents of risk. There it is. There's the break, 1416. It just broke. Whoa, and the volume is shooting up. Can it push through? 1420. I think we need more of a pullback, really, to the 20 before we can get a good follow through on this. But that was the break there on SBEA, undeniable. On increased volume, can it push? We're hitting 1425 now. 1420. I mean, Dell has just been on an insane run. How much is that Dell up since the pandemic? Let's see. 85% year over year. That's a hell of a return. All right, SBEA is now hitting 1436. So you need to be taking your profits out underneath 1450. 5 to 20% of your position take out underneath the 1450 level. So be prepared for that. That's coming up. At 33 cents. Wow. Wow, fantastic. All right, we're pushing up again on SBEA. We've got 17 minutes to the market open, and it looks like everybody wants a piece of this. They think that when the market opens, this puppy's going to run. That's not guaranteed. So we're going to be very careful. We're going to watch this. Sometimes these things just crap out right at the open. But anybody with pre-market access is buying in right now. We got 17 minutes till the market opens. About Grill 2 weeks ago? I don't remember, but I think so. I vaguely remember. Why? What's up? Oh, yeah, it popped yesterday. Good. I hope you took profits. Nah, don't day trade options. Trust me. And plus, once you start to manage your trade risk, there's no difference between options and shares. All right, SBEA is now hitting 1440, 1443. Make sure you take 5 to 20% off right underneath here, right here, right at the 1450 level. This is a good spot for it. Well, take my own advice. There we go. Should you buy tech or oil? Good question. Great profits last month on Tesla, still holding. When I sell off, do you think I should buy tech or oil? Tech probably, but just every day's a different day. You feel free to click the link in my bio and come join our trading community. Ask me over there in a private message sometime. Happy to give you my up-to-date answer at that point. All right, we just hit 1450. Topped out at 1450 so far. We do need to take a breather and get back to the 20 moving average on the 2-minute chart. That is not happening. There's just a lot of excitement, and yet this is 15 minutes before the open. Too soon, too soon. So make sure you're taking your profits. Everyone remembers DWAC, and that's what they are hoping for. Yeah, Chris. So you get that residual effect until they've lost all their money. That's the problem. It's just like you have a big win in Vegas, and then they give you, comps. Yeah, wow, congratulations. Come on back. Until the dumb money is in the smart money's hands, it's not over. Here you go. Anyway, looking at other stocks just in case. SBEA is going great, but looking at the other ones here, we're also watching BAOS, BAOS, see if that'll do something. OCGN, Weemy looks pretty good. VOOTSI, it's got a ways to go. IO doing okay. SLGG, not too keen on that one. BBLG. And Apple is at 148.6. All right, since we have 13 minutes in market open, I'm going to refresh, see if there's anything else popping right now that we didn't already catch. There are some things that are hot, but they might be down. So, it has to be hot and up. Well, looks like we got everything we want to get. NP, possibly. Let me pull that up. You guys over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio to come join our trading community. NP, let's see. Yeah, pretty scraggly. But it went from 4.5 to 5.2. No, gonna take that off. Not quality enough. Good enough quality. Next, the ANET. No, that's just way too low volume. UAA on 500,000 volume. Going on there, that looks like a beautiful curve. Oh, what is UAA? Under Armour something. AA. After earnings estimates beats good. Well, all right. UAA is running good today. I'm going to put that up for a potential 5-minute candle dip buy. Yep, yeah, it is. Yep, Under Armour. Pfizer, yeah, it'd be a good idea to keep our eye on that as well. All right, so the price on Pfizer for it to break is 45.5, but I'd be hoping for a dip buy on that as well. We've got 11 minutes until the market opens. Make sure you click the link in my bio in order to join our trading community today. I've been trading for 25 years and lead the group in day trading every day. Just click the link in my bio to check that out. We have over 400 members. Best platform, Thinkorswim. Yeah, it really is because you can customize it so much. But it's very difficult to use. So it's not like the platform you should start on. It's the platform you eventually will get to. But it'll take you at least a month to get used to it if you're new. So I recommend Webull instead. And here, I'll give you my link to Webull so that you and I will both get a bonus. But more importantly, you'll get a bonus when you sign up. OLB. What is OLB? OLB taken off? Okay, yeah, let's take a look. What is OLB? I don't know, but it's been hot before. Wow, it doubled just now. Okay, so that looks like a buyout the way it's acting, but could be something else. Can you guys check the news on that? OLB, check StockTwits. They know. How do you get funds transferred faster on Webull? I'm not sure what the trick is to that, but you could try and do a wire. LAC is moving. All right. We're in LAC. OLB is a Bitcoin mining. Okay. But what happened there? What's the news on that? All right, the market's going to be opening in 8 minutes, everybody. And we're watching carefully. SBEA, it's about to break out again. The high is 14.6, and we're at 14.48. In fact, we almost just broke the high. We still have 8 minutes until the market opens. Somebody says, what about JBEIU? Gosh, I don't know. JBIU. Let's see. Never heard of that one. It's not even coming up. Maybe I mistyped it. JBUI? No. Don't know what that is. Jujube? Heat source. Believe they're using it as a heat source now. What? Mining equipment? Corsair, hold until earnings. Are we in Matter still? Yeah. All right. There's the break on SBEA. Just broke through 1460 level. Is now hitting 1465, 1467, 1468, 1469. 1471. Next profit target will be underneath 15. Somebody asked me about something that we are holding in. Oh, I forget. All right, for those of you on TikTok who haven't joined our trading community, our member has been making bank. We have over 400 members. Just on last week, we had a member buy a boat. You know who you are, Mark. And incredible gains, $75,000, $50,000. Pretty incredible gains for our members. Click the link in my bio in order to learn more about that, more about our trading community. I've been trading for 25 years, and I help everybody on their journey to become a better trader. So just click the link in my bio. What do I trade on? Think or swim. We got 5 minutes before the open. How do you start? Well, I'll be glad to help you through that. You know, the process. Just click the link in my bio. Come join the trading community, and then send me a private message in there, and then we can talk. I can help you start. It's going to be with you got to open a brokerage account, all kinds of stuff. I'll give you some ideas. Let's hope we get to crack this open today. Nuclear orange bomb. Saving that for the right play that goes nuclear. All right, we've got 4 minutes and 30 seconds until the market opens. That's funny. Yeah, very funny. Somebody said, love your trading style, man, but your course is expensive. I think you got the wrong person. I mean, that couldn't be more of a joke. Look at this. Kramer's got a QR code now. That might have been Benny, though, planting that joke. Because his name was Ben something. He's probably drinking this morning. Having a morning cap. Definitely. Expensive is the fake Evan. You know if it's expensive, it's fake Evan. That's right. Thank you, Pablo. Yeah, $7. Exactly. That's right. All right. SBEA is consolidating right underneath the 1475 level. I'm going to be quick to take profits as they get hit. We like to take profits on a stock between $10 and $20 underneath every 50-cent level. So be quick to do so as it progresses through there in the first few minutes. You never know what could happen after that. Could just turn do an about face and crap out and put a bad taste in everybody's mouth, and it won't go back up because of that. So either it's got to perform unbelievably smoothly, or little by little, we're going to have casualties. And wounded soldiers are not going to be interested in buying in again. I have a good analogy for that. What is the name of the company again? Something Rifle? Black Rifle. Coffee deal. Coffee. Black Rifle coffee. All right, we've got 2 minutes and 25 seconds to the open. Don't worry about my name. It's the name of a guy. It's somebody on TikTok. Best coffee. Well, strongest, that's for sure. That's what I hear. So far, SBEA is holding pretty strong right before the open. 1 minute and 50 seconds until the open. All right, SBEA holding. Oh, Death Wish coffee. Yeah, that's true. Well, with a little bit of funding, they could buy Death Wish coffee. Is short trading smart? No. But when you realize that it is, then it is, yeah. But until then, no, it's not. Tricky fucking answer. All right, you guys, I've been trading for 25 years, and I lead this group, this trading community of over 400 traders every morning in the morning session on all the morning opportunities. And we've been making bank, and we make bank. So if you want to join our trading community, we'll be cutting the feed here in 30 seconds on the Market Open on TikTok, YouTube, and Twitch. Make sure you click the link in my bio, click the link, come into our trading community, and join us in there and continue. We're about to start trading in 20 seconds. And that's we'll be cutting off the TikTok feed this morning. So please click the link in my bio, and I'll see you in there. All right, everybody, here we go. We got 8 seconds to the market open. 5, 4. Whoa, look at UAA go. UAA is starting to pop. Get ready to grab UAA. And here comes SBEA. What's going to happen? I'm very curious. All right, we've already got some signals signaling.